here this is the opportunity to save 1 rupees. Of 5 rupees biscuit, 1 rupees you will save. 4 rupees biscuit. You will pay 4 rupees, then you will get the biscuit 5 rupees packaging. Guys, yoga, they are the taking these type of biscuit for the low calorie biscuit. Take biscuit. Hello, good morning. I'm Tripti from Britannia company. Britannia is a very popular and very good company. It is a very leading company. Britannia biscuit and Britannia product are it's from a very ancient company from 1892. Britannia Industries is leading Indian share market, 33% Indian share market, and Britannia biscuit is very good. It very delicious and it very trusted company, and its products are very good. There is no harmful content. The biscuit are very tasty, very delicious, and there is no any harmful content. And the selling price are from this packaging is from 5 to 10, 20 increasing by the biscuits. And in this Britannia company from biscuit, cake, cow milks also, and many products are available. Like you can say the for sugar patient, Britannia Nutri Choice digestive biscuit, and for the health issue, for the any health trainer also provide suggest you for the Britannia Marigold with the tea snacks also, and the Britannia Jim Jam also. The children like the Jim Jam biscuit also, and the Britannia Gobal cake, fruit cake, and the chocolate cake also. The children like the chocolate cake also, and Good Day and Good Day Cashew and the Good Day Good Day Cashew and Good Day biscuit, the most popular biscuit in the our society. And these type of biscuit we like of the all the people, like child, like teenager, like old people also, because these biscuit are very good. There no any harmful content. Very easy to for the sugar patient, for the every people. This is the very good for the every people. If you do you want to taste, I will provide you for tasting. You will taste it, and you can purchase with very easy. And the price is also very low, from 5 rupees. Everyone can very easily purchase 5 rupees. Poor people can also purchase, and any middle class family, a high class family, everyone people can purchase this biscuit. And for the trainer also suggest the people for the who are the doing the people who are doing the exercise, yoga, they are the taking these type of biscuit for the low calorie biscuit. Take biscuit. Decide how to you will purchase or not.
So you did not tell the price, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, Britannia biscuit raises the 5 and 5, 10. I have the rate of the 5 and 10 only, because my new starting. And if you will purchase a 5 rupees biscuit, I will give you discount. If you will to purchase 2 biscuit of 10 rupees. If you will rupees 5 rupees packaging, 2 biscuit purchase, I will give you in 9 rupees. 5 rupees packaging, 2 biscuit you will purchase. 2 packet means 10 rupees you will give me, then I will give you 2 packet. And if you 10 rupees biscuit 1 packet, I will give you in 9 rupees. Getting? Yes, sir, you will test also.
No, I want to take this one. Okay.
Yes, sir, take 10 rupees, 5 rupees in Marigold. Yes, sir, 10 rupees. This is 9 rupees only.
Okay,
10 rupees cake in 9 rupees I will give. Okay. Yes, sir, that is. I think this is 15 rupees. Yeah,
Okay.
15 rupees.
15 rupees. Okay. And this
15 rupees, 14 rupees you will pay.
is this one.
9 rupees you will pay. Rupees, then you will get 10 rupees. Here, this is the opportunity to save 1 rupees. Of 5 rupees biscuit, 1 rupees you will save. 4 rupees biscuit. You will pay 4 rupees, then you will get the biscuit 5 rupees biscuit packaging. Yes, yes. Yeah. No, no, no. If you want to more eat, then you can eat also. Ma'am, you can eat.